Assalamu alaikum student of class 7th. Be attentive. I am your English teacher, Miss Razia Babar Dar. Come with this chapter, Black Beauty, which is the second chapter of your English literature. Take out your copies and start writing the work. In this lecture, I will provide you the notes. Okay? So student, first is words meaning. Number first word is circumstances, and the meaning is a particular incident or happening. Number second is meadow, and the answer is area of grassland. Number third is colt, and the meaning is a young male horse. Number four is likely, and the meaning is probably. Number fifth is pricked, and the meaning is caused to stand and point upward. Number 6 is brook, meaning is a small stream. Number 7 is stake, and the meaning is adult male deer. Number 8 is astonished, and the meaning is amazed. Number 9 is skint, and the meaning is trial of a hunted animal. Number 10 is whine, and the meaning is to make a long pitched sound as if in pain. Now student, start writing the question and answer with the next page. Question number 1, take out your book, page number 21. Question number A is your question number 1. Write it down in your literature copies and write down the answer. The horse mother and an old riding horse knew all about the hunt. The way men ride good horses and use dogs to catch wild creatures such as the hare and fox. Perhaps they too had once taken part in such hunts. Question number 2 is your question number B. Write down question number B as question number 2 from your book, page number 21, and the answer is the dog stopped barking and began to run with their noses to the ground because they had lost sight of the hare and were trying to find its scent again. Question number C, page number 21, is question number 3, and the answer is these lines tells us that some of the horses wanted to join in the hunt. The old horses snorted and looked eagerly after them, and we young colt wanted to be galloping with them. It seems as if the horse wished to join in with the galloping. Now students, start with the next page, short question and answer heading. Now question number 1, short question from your book, page number 21. D is your question number 1. Write down the answer. The hare was wild with fright because the dog were chasing it. Question number F is your question number 2, page number 21, and the answer is the huntmen whipped off the dogs, were upon it with their wild cries, and thus it met its end. Question number third is question number G from book page number 21. Answer is the young horse. The storyteller was astonished by the sight of these men on fine horses with barking dogs chasing and killing a hare. Now students, put the heading of reference to contest with your black marker and this contest and serve him right too, said one of the colt. It should be written with a black pointer. Question number 1. To whom are these words addressed? Question mark. Answer is the words are addressed to Black Beauty. Question number 2 is what does serve him right mean? And the answer is serve him right means he deserves whatever comes to him in punishment or as a consequences of what he has done. Question number 3. Which incident is the speaker referring to? And the answer is the speaker is referring to one of the rider who had broken his neck when he fell into a brook. Put the heading of word sentences. Number first word is circumstances and the sentence is he was a victim of circumstances. Number 2, colt. The little colt tried to get through fence but it was too thick. Word number 3, hunt. Sentence. The police conducted national wide hunt for the missing prisoner. Number 4, chase. The police were trying to chase the killer. Number 5, snorted. And the sentence is the old man snorted when it smelled food. Last topic is fill in the blank. Number 1, Black Beauty is written by Anna Sewell is the blank. Second, the dog was chasing the hare. Hare is blank. The old horse snorted. Snorted is blank. The hare was wild with fright. Fright is blank. The huntman whipped off the dog. Over here, huntman is the blank. So student, what you have to do, you have to complete this work in your literature copies and bring your copies for correction to me on Monday. That is your checking of the copy day. Okay student, you have to complete your previous work as well, which was our first chapter, Light in the Night. It was done in the previous week. In this week, this chapter is completely done by me. So student, I hope so you will complete your work and bring it on Monday or Tuesday after the Eid in the school between 9 to 12 timing, as we the teachers are available over there from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay student, got it? And follow my lecture, follow my instruction, whatever I had explained it to you regarding the copy work. Okay, I hope so you better understood it. Allah Hafiz, stay blessed and stay healthy.